I'm back. Give you another skip fit step to keep you fit the fun way. This step is really special to me. It's a step that's named after me. So I'm obviously representing. It's a step that relates back to my Ghanaian roots, obviously. So I've got my, what you call my birthday outfit. I've got my favorite trainers. Exclusive Adidas. You can't get them anywhere else. I'm wearing my Batakari smock. This is a traditional northern Ghanaian outfit. And also I've got my kente scarf on my head and my kente cloth just to show off to you guys, all the way from Bonre in Kumasi, the kente region, the Ashanti region of Ghana. There you go. So why all this? Because I'm going to teach you guys my step, which is the Adwoa Step. Now the Adwoa Step is my namesake. It's my name, it's a Ghanaian name, which comes from the Akan tribes of Ghana. It means for a female that's Monday born, Adwoa, Adwoa-da. But the name Adwoa specifically means Adwo, which is peace and calm. So Adwoa girls, Adwoa peeps, we're peaceful, we're calm. But characteristically, we're also super vibrant, high energy, independent, fun, and caring. So this step hopefully has all the energy in it. Want to see it? You want to see it? All right, let me show you the step about the skipping ropes. Looks like this, the Adwoa Step, my step. See, so that is the Adwoa Step without the skipping rope. If you pay attention, you'll see that the step is similar to my emoji for Skip Squad Fitness, where it's like this. So it's a cross between the Adwoa Step and the Afri Skip Step. See, I thought a lot about my logo and branding. So that's the step. Let me show you the skipping ropes, which are in my early birthday present bag from Letter Junkie. It's my customized skipping rope bag. Here you go, see Miss Brown. Miss Brown, all right. Let's get whipping, watch me. There you go guys, that is the Adwoa Step. Also, this month is December, it's my birthday, so please make sure you show some more support. If you haven't already, follow my Instagram account, Skip Squad Fitness. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the best birthday present you can give me, the best early Christmas present you can give me as well. Follow my channels on Instagram and YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, try out the steps. And this step is really fun because it's high energy. It will definitely keep you warm in the winter. So get out and try it. Want to see it again? All right, break it down. But remember, you jump, you kick your heels to the side. You jump again, kick your heels to the side. So you just kick. Right, if you've got your rope, join me, let's get it, let's go. There you go guys, so that is the Adwoa Step. Keep following me on Instagram, thanks for the love, keep getting out, get in the sun as much as you can this winter. Whatever you do guys, skip, dance, live your best life.